You gotta be on the video. Yeah, come over this way. This how you do it. Oh, wonderful universe, rain down on us. You gotta be in my video too.
Leave it, it's working everywhere. I agree. I said it. Amazing. Thank you, Father. Thank you for teaching me good things in my life. I never forget it. Yeah, amazing.
He hated the rain, and now look. All because of me. Oh my goodness, babe, it is too much now. Get it now, you get it.
I pick it and kill it.
Pick up and kill it. Pick up and kill it and kill it and kill it. Pick up and kill it and kill it and kill it. Now when you're stuck out in the rain, you don't have to be like, babe, I'm all the way in Accra. I can't get home because it's raining. Pick up and kill it and kill it and kill it. Pick up and kill it and kill it and kill it. Pick up and kill it and kill it. Let me tell you something. That's what your locks need. Rain From the universe? What? Can't see nothing on your phone. Your phone blank.
Thank you.
Huh?
Okay, you can send to me later. You don't worry about it.
All right.
Oh, thank you, Dada. Thank you.
The ancestors like, the ancestors like, now he gets it. Now he gets it. Now he gets it. That's what the ancestors are saying.
Wow. Wow. Love it. Shower of blessing.
Rain down on me. Let your love just shine like rain, just rain.
Come like la la la.
Me.
Wow.
All right, the rain is over. The rain is over. Yeah.